Hi, my name is Ruhan, and I go to Amador Valley. And for my milestone number two, I finished my hardware setup. What I first did is I made this board alone, and I glued the water bottle, the Arduino. I screwed down the Arduino and glued the servo to the board. After that, I taped down the wires so it wasn't all over the place, and I attached these two boards on top of each other. Sorry, next to the main board, and I put down. I screwed in these three brackets to hold them in place. After that was done, I was able to put the final board in, and that finished the frame. After I was done finishing the entire frame, I painted it all black so it doesn't have like all the scratches that wood normally has. And after that, when the screws were poking out of here, I put like the 3D printed part on. The biggest challenge I faced on it was trying to pick out the right wood size, because the wood, there's a lot of the problems was with the holes in the wood, and I'd have to find a complete piece of wood. And another big challenge I faced was with the screws of the Arduino not going fully in, because it kept on cracking, and I couldn't use like the sharp ones because those were too big. The screws were too big for like the Arduino itself. And for the last challenge I faced was on the on the bottom of the board. The the screws went completely through towards the wood, and I had to put the caps on so it doesn't scratch the floor or whatever surface I put my project on. The next milestone I have to accomplish is fitting in all the modifications and replacing some of my parts with 3D printed parts. Because earlier I had a cardboard that covered the water bottle to make sure the food stopped dispensing, but instead I'm going to replace that with a 3D printed piece.